Hello and welcome back to the channel in the Walking Zombie 2. We're picking up from where we left off last video as usual. And we're going to head straight out. Flooded water purifier, deliverance, new car parts. The sewage one is the one I'm most worried about, so we're going to head there first. Hopefully we have enough fuel to do everything, all three of these things, in one go. I can just buy the 10 litres with some gold coins. You can watch ads for gold coins and fuel every day. I think you get 6 ads for each, so yeah, okay. I reckon, because we got that new gun, the Vector, last time, what we'll do is we will equip the Vector instead of the shotgun. Okay, let's see what's going on. 30 rounds. Not terrible, but it wastes a lot of ammo. Whoops. If I'd known I was going to accidentally blow that up, I would have just blown it up when the zombies were coming. Well, either way, I like this a lot more than the last one. The last gun. I saw the other assault rifle thing. I need this gun back. Where's the other zombie? Oh, security man, of course it is. I think it's a security man, yep. Reload. Oh, we got some 9mm ammo for the new gun. The Vector. Wait, did I walk past a trap? Disarm. And we'll disarm that one. If you see anything like that, it's a trap. Wow, okay, that one as well. I'm going to go to this other gun, because it's more efficient. There's a dead body. Okay. I guess we can down this way. I don't like this sewers. I've been killed here many times in the past. I remember this. Something. Oh no. I thought there was something floating in the water that came to kill you, but I misremembered. If that's a word. This is very, very flooded. Pump out the water, use it. There's something wrong with the pipes. Of course there is. Search the maintenance room. Okay. So you can reload and kick at the same time. I can't prove it right now, but I'm pretty sure you can. I saw in a video that you can, so we need to go this way, I think. That's pretty blocked. Of course a thrasher comes. Haven't seen one in a while though. Oh, I should have kicked and reloaded at the same time then. Oh well. What on earth? What happened? Sorry, I can't treat these wounds. Whoops. Okay, I can try to fix it. They are coming. That's not very nice. No, okay, take a welder. Take it. Okay, zombies are coming, so I wanna kill them. I hate having to watch out for zombies in here. Okay, that one's dead. I hope that was the only one that was coming this way. Yeah, you're going the wrong way there, mate. Buddy. As Frank would say, if you remember Frank from a couple videos ago. The guy who betrayed us. We had to kill him. who I had been working for until he betrayed the Woodlands camp. If you call it a camp. Okay. Those kind of zombies, that these like low to the ground things that float in the water, they are annoying. More thrashers. Use that. These missions do take a lot longer than Woodlands ones, that's for sure. Just checking they're not coming from this direction. Boom, okay. Traps, alright. This is fine. I don't like this part, but we can survive this. When you're running away from a massive horde of zombies through there, it's really not good. I don't like it, but what can you do? Oh, of course you show up. Bloody, sorry. Hate zombie fat boys. Oh, that's what zombie fat boys do, in case you're wondering. Ah, that was definitely my bad. Is it a zombie? Oh no, it's a corpse. Oh, okay. That's a corpse. Fix the pipe. Reload that, and I'll reload the other gun too. Go to the darkest parts. Oh, I hate the darkest parts of the sewer, trust me. I hate this area with the traps. I just hate the sewers. 1, 2. How does the scope look on that? I'm not dying. Oh, our first encounter of a puker. That's what a puker looks. Oh, we saw one last video. Oh no, a few videos ago. So you already know what a puker looks like, but that is a puker. If you're wondering. Hopefully there's nothing behind me. Once puker pros come into the equation, we are gonna, or I am gonna struggle. Believe me. Well, last time I played this, I didn't really upgrade guns very much. So this time I'm gonna upgrade guns, I'm gonna upgrade skills. I'm just gonna play a lot better. Of course you are here. Do it this way. Oh, more of them. I love how I can clear out this area and more of them just show up. Hold on. Those thrashers are actually really weak. I'll just leave 26 in the mag for now. 26 bullets in the Vector mag. Because that's pretty much full. Use it. Oh. Oh no. Who would have thought I'd see you there? Alright, we'll get another mission done. At least one more. We'll head over to the new car parts. Because I want new car parts. I want that ute. Or car, whatever you want to call it. Or a truck. Or whatever you call it. I want that. Because it saves fuel. I think it does half as much fuel or something. Don't know what that noise was, but okay. Front bumper, rear door, lights. This is an interesting map, trust me. Okay. That's reloaded itself. That's nice. Hopefully we can get this one knocked out quickly. There's a new kind of zombie that appears here too. Bats. There we go. Speak of the devil. So to say. Come on. I hate bats because they can be hard to kill. Okay. They're just really annoying, to be fair. How did that miss? I hate it when guns miss in this game. I just wanted to check there was nothing right there before I reloaded. Destroy all incoming zombies. Bats, prisoners. Did that miss every shot? That better not have missed every shot. I think it did. Okay, that's kind of ridiculous. We'll get up close to do more damage. You know, I like this gun, but when it misses, that's kind of just a pain. Okay, quick reload. Find a front bumper. And that's a big area to look through. Oh, it wasn't hard though. Big bull bar, nudge bar, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Oh, the Vector's fully reloaded, I think. Oh, more zombies. Hope we did damage there. That would be nice. I saw a few bits of damage floating around. Oh, we did do a little bit. Boom. I think we missed 3, but the gun missed 3. I got him in 2 shots, so. Another one up here. A rear door. I assume it's a tailgate. Wait, are we going back? Are we going up or down? I think it's down, but we'll just have a look up here. Okay, yeah, we were supposed to go back down. I think. Hopefully. Because it takes a little bit of time to run here. Okay. I just figured that would go up and up and up. Yeah, we're going down. That's most definitely down. Zombies are coming. Which way from? Oh, that way. There we go. Oh, so we're heading right back down to find the lights. We do more damage when scoped like this. Why is it not doing... It keeps missing. Oh, there we go. It's kind of ridiculous when it misses, I'm going to be honest. Okay. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. I want to get that other mission done this video. I wish you could climb over the sides, but you can't. That would save a lot of time running through here. Zombies attack, defend yourself. Which way from? Oh, is that a puker? Boom. Here are the other 2. Whoops. Boom, okay. There's still that zombie jacket or hoodie or whatever over there. There's another zombie. There. There's another zombie. Can't talk today. Find some lights. Get rid of you. Oh, the inventory is full. What was it trying to pick up? Vitamins. What can we do? It is completely full. You know, we don't have full health, so we'll just use that water bottle. Those aren't worth much anyway. We got lots of bandages, which sort of health instantly rather than the water bottle, which I think goes over 12 seconds, so. What on earth? Why does it keep... Oh, that's a silver scrap. We are taking that. Now maybe I could use those gas canisters. I want to throw away the things. We'll use the beans. Oops. And... Okay, we will definitely head back to the city before doing the next one, if we do the next one this video. Find some lights. Saw them in the distance. You will go back to the city to empty the inventory. Are you coming this way? No. But you can die anyway. You know, this gun is really good when it doesn't miss. I wonder if that's something I'm doing. Or if it just likes to miss. Why flying that way? I think it flies around that pile of whatever. Okay. Here come that. Whoops. No. This gun's kinda annoying me, but... Alright, we'll go this way. Quickly. And find a rear cage. Hopefully, I think this is the last thing we need to find. It's the last thing on the list, so... Get those headshots on that bat. I know the last one was a headshot, another puker. I knew that was coming. Oh no. Keep going this way. Boom. Got him from a distance. Well, that I guess because it's a zombie, but... Pretty sure they're called zombie male jackets, so... Him. Where are these zombies coming from? I assume they'll be coming from this way. A puker and a bat. Bad combo around here. Alright. Eliminate that one. I wonder if it is user error of this gun missing. So we're going to use this other gun. Oops, didn't mean to get hit by it. Oh, radiation. Hopefully it's only radioactive if you stand in piles of radiation. So I don't know what that's a thrasher. See, I don't know what a rear cage looks like. I don't know, stop it. There's a chair. Looks to be it's right in front of me this whole time. Oh, there we go. That's it. And we're done. New car parts. Oh, more health, losing it. Get that 200 bucks, that's nice. And we will head back to the city this video, because this has taken a long time. Enter. Sell some stuff to the trader, and then I think we'll be done for now. Glad we got that silver scrap though. 250 bucks, I think. Oh, real estate broker wants to talk again. What else? Yeah, we already talked about that and established that I can't buy that right now. Alright, Jeff. Down it was hell. Okay. We'll sort that out next video, I think. Sell scraps. Okay, and we'll probably sort out the inventory as well. Oh, we need to get those keys done for the drunkard. Or drunkard, whatever. Doesn't work. Alright. Okay, we'll level up. Wait, what? 2 level ups? Okay, I'll take it. We're not using 5.56mm ammo yet, so we'll take the 7.62, I think it is. Alright, and we'll get these things sorted. Next video, we'll get the drunkard's keys sorted. But for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And I'll tidy that inventory off camera.